Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the best GoPro accessory you can get. It will expand your GoPro mounting options significantly. You can buy the kit on Amazon, link in the description. This is what you get in the kit: torque driver, replacement plate and screws. Now let's get to work and replace the old plate with the new one. Here you can see the difference between the plates. The new one has a hole in the middle. I decided to reuse the original GoPro screws. Almost finished. After everything is done, you can attach the GoPro directly to the tripod without a need for any adapters. At the same time, you can use your existing GoPro accessories. This should be done by GoPro as standard. Oh well, maybe next time, GoPro. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for more videos.